Welcome to another edition of my Why Invest video series. In this video, we will explore how investing can allow you to broaden the choices in your life, opening up new opportunities that wouldn't otherwise have existed had it not been for your smart decision to invest. The Sloth Investor advocates a buy and hold approach to investing. Quite simply, this means that you should be reluctant to sell your shares, as holding stocks for as long as possible will enable you to benefit greatly from the wonders of compound interest. However, there may be an occasion when you wish to sell shares due to necessity or when an exciting opportunity has arisen that requires an injection of money. For example, taking the latter point, at the age of 50, you and your partner decided to take a break from work for a whole year. You were smart and started investing little by little in your late teens, and after 30 plus years of investing, you can afford not to work for a year or perhaps even several. During this period, you plan to spend precious time with your partner, read books, and even travel more than usual. How is this possible? Your opportunities in life will compound the earlier you start investing. Remember, wealth generation creates choice. On this point, Ben Carlson, author of A Wealth of Common Sense, states, younger investors need to think in terms of what that future wealth can bring them, specifically freedom and flexibility. The greatest thing that money can buy is time to do whatever it is that makes you happy. If you're forced to work later in life doing something you don't love to do for a paycheck, that's not a fun scenario for a young person to consider. Whatever the most annoying part of your life is, use that as your motivation to save. If you hate your job, save enough money so you don't have to work for a boss that you don't like. If you want to travel the world, save enough to go wherever your heart desires. Think in terms of your future self. If you're keen to learn more about the life opportunities that can arise from investing from a young age, then you may be interested to read Balance, an investing book by Andrew Hallam. In the book, Andrew writes about several of the travel experiences since retiring from his career as an international school teacher. As someone that wisely chose to invest from a young age, Andrew is now able to reap the rewards of this smart decision. You'll find a link to my bite-sized summary of Balance in the description to this video. Moreover, I was fortunate to interview Andrew in episode 28 of the Sloth Investor podcast. Again, you'll find a link to that interview in the description to this video. So, what are the key reasons why you invest? I'd love to read your comments in the comment box below this video. Okay, so that brings to a close this video on the importance of investing to broaden your life choices. You'll find several other videos explaining why it's important to invest within this playlist. To keep up to date with the latest content from the Sloth Investor, whether this be my bite-sized video playlists, my podcast, or other video content, please remember to subscribe to this channel.